All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome. This is Phil Colbridge here with TopOrlandoHomes.com and Keller Williams Advantage 2 Realty. We are in a special new listing here for you in Meadow Woods. Just 5 minutes from Lake Nona, 5 minutes from the airport, about 20 minutes from the attractions, kind of in the central south part of town, but in a very new community actually. The home was built in 2015. It's a 4-3. Let's go check it out. Okay, so right when we enter the home, you'll notice the large foyer, very wide, very high ceiling, very nice feature. We have 2 bedrooms right here, left and right, with the bathroom right in the middle. We have the wide entrance that continues throughout the house. We have the 3rd bedroom here with its full bathroom. We have the laundry room here as well, with a closet. And then the huge, I'll let you zoom out here, huge family and formal dining area, which nowadays, you can kind of do whatever you'd like with it. You could have a high top here, just have it as a big area, open floor plan, right? And so that's covered. And of course we have the kitchen overlooking it all. Granite countertops, under mounted sink. We have all stainless steel appliances, the new trendy white cabinets. And then we have a massive walk-in pantry here as well. And then we'll continue this way, where we have the secluded master suite, okay? Huge room. You gotta come see it in person to do it justice, but the closet and then the full, this is a high level, you're gonna see what I mean with the master suite, with the bathroom as well, and the dual vanity sinks. Let's go check out the back. Okay, so now we step onto the back patio here. As you can see, it's already nicely screened, so just turnkey, ready for the barbecue, right? And so we have a large yard in the back, which is able to accommodate a pool or anything else you can imagine back there. Some green space behind that for now. And what else? The area. Once again, you'll see it on the drones. It is just a great location, just centrally located. The airport is a few minutes away, easy to commute to. The schools in the area, the amenities, you gotta come check it all out. So again, this is Phil Colbridge here with TopOrlandoHomes.com and Keller Williams Advantage 2 Realty. See you soon.